Hey, so we're putting up a little bit of holiday display. So we want to put some of this old garland we used to have. We used to have this around our pool at the old house, so we thought we'd come down to the gate opening and put it at the gate. We don't have electricity here, but we're just going to put the garland on it. So I'm making these little hooks just to put over the fence, and ta-da! And then we'll swag it. So I have this metal rod that I had. You get this at the Home Depot box stores. This is for hanging ceiling tiles. So go to the ceiling tile section of your big box store, lumber yard, and this is the wiring they use to hang the grid for it. So you'll find big packs of this. It's really cheap. So I'm just going to cut off 9 inches or so, maybe a little less than a foot, somewhere around there. I'm just using my needle nose because they also have a wire cutter and you use it to grip and bend. So then I cut up a little piece. I'm going to start just kind of multi-bending it to make a part of a circle. So I made the loop, and now I'm going to make the section that goes over the fence. I want it higher on the fence, the loop to be up high, so the swag comes up to the top of the fence. So somewhere, I don't know, somewhere in there, I'm going to bend it back. That makes it go over the top. Then however thick the fence is, it's about an inch. It ain't got to be perfect by any stretch of the imagination. So truthfully, that's it. That'll fit over the back, and it'll hold it. And it'll just hang on the swag like that. That is it. And I'm gonna make about, I don't know, make a bunch till my hands are sore. And, just hang out some Christmas decorations. So that's what we're doing today.
Time for some hot chocolate.
Cold.